Good morning, students. Welcome back. And we were doing shares and dividends, and I am continuing the previous sessions of the shares and dividends. So I am doing from Serena Publishers. Question number 15. A company with 10,000 shares of nominal value rupees 100 declares an annual dividend 8% to the shareholders. Calculate the total amount dividend by the company. First of all, let me write what are the given conditions. A company with 10,000 shares. How many shares are there? 10,000 shares are there. Question number 15. This is from Serena Publishers, and I am doing question number 15. A company with 10,000 shares of nominal value means obviously it is nothing but face value. Next, declares an annual dividend of 8% to the shareholders. Very straightforward question this is. How many shares are there? Number of shares is equal to 10,000 shares are there, right? Face value is how much? Face value is 100. Here it is given a face value is rupees 100. Declares an annual dividend of 8% to the shareholders. Dividend is equal to 8%. He is asking total amount dividend, calculate the total amount of the dividend paid by the company. So it's very simple, apply the formula. Dividend is equal to dividend percentage of face value into number of shares. I told you this is straightforward question. Just write the formula and replace, plug the values. There is the solution. Dividend is nothing but 8 by 100 into face value into number of shares. How many shares are there? 10,000. So this will get cancelled. So it is 80,000. So dividend is rupees 80,000. So that means if you the company is paying 80,000 to the shareholders, right? Next, the another typical bit in this question is Ramesh had bought 90 shares of the company. So Ramesh had invested how many shares in the company? 90 shares of the company at 150 per share. So he invested 90 shares at 150 per share. Calculate the dividend he received and the percentage of return on his investment. This is first bit is over. Second bit. Calculate the dividend. Ramesh had bought how many shares? Ramesh share. How much Ramesh shares? 90. And what is the market price? Ramesh had bought 90 shares of the company at rupees 150. So number of shares 50. This is nothing but number of shares. And market price is 50. Therefore, total investment is what? What is the formula? Just refer to the formula which I have described in the previous sessions. Just you need to remember the formula and put it. Number of shares. Total investment number of shares into market price. Number of shares is how much? 90. Market price is 50. 15 nines are 135. 2 zeros are there. 13,500. So total investment is 13,500. Next, calculate the dividend he received. So his total investment is this one. Calculate the dividend he received. Dividend. How many shares are there? 90. Right? Dividend he receives. RECIVES. Dividend he receives what? 8%. Dividend is equal to 8% per share. This is. So dividend is equal to 8 by 100 into face value is how much? 100 into. So dividend is nothing but rupees 8 per share. This is per share. So how many shares he purchased? 90. So dividend on 90 shares 720, right? So the company pays rupees 720. What is asking? Calculate the dividend he receives and the percentage of return on this investment. Rate percentage, right? So that is nothing but total dividend by total investment, right? Total dividend is what? 720 by total investment is 13,500 into 100. You simplify this one. So that's there is the solution. And already I told simplification is not possible here. It will take lot of time. So 15. So that means if you simplify this, you will get the answer 5.33%. So simplify this one. Because you are in 10th class, I am not going to solve this division, multiplication, division, and will take time. That's why I am writing directly. So please refer it. So there ends the solution. Very simple question. I don't know. Straightforward question. Here what is the meaning of that is already given this condition. So he is asking dividend. So formula we know dividend percentage, and I calculated dividend. This is for 10,000 shares. The company is paying for 10,000 shares, 80,000 dividend. 80,000 means it is distributed among all the shareholders. Among all the shareholders, one of the customer is Ramesh share. Ramesh is putting 90 shares in the company. So whereas market value, market price, means market value is nothing but here market value is nothing but rupees 150. So here total investment, how much he is putting? Company quoted market price is 150 and 90 shares. So he is investing 13,500. So dividend company is paying 8. So that means he will get if you put 13,500 in the company, he will get rupees 720. That is the meaning. I am from my pocket, I am putting 13,500 in the company. The company pays 720. So now rate percent is asking. So total investment by this is just basic. That there is the solution. Very simple question. Next one. Which is